This is the lift outside IKEA in Copenhagen. Door close button does work like that. This is a Kone Monospace. Yeah, this is definitely a Kone Monospace. Capacity 17 persons, 1275 kilos. Year made 2022. We are 2. Go down to -2. Look at this is glass, this one. Let's get a view from here. It's very fast as well. Ooh. This goes down to street. It's got pre-doors, and we'll go back up to 0. This one's definitely a Monospace, says on the certificate. We are back at 0, and it's this door. And there it goes. There it goes, and that's it.